इशू किती हो सारको
Government want to put up new stalls, okay, where these people have to not pay any price for that stall which they are going to put on site. All these stalls they want to put up to maintain aesthetic on the jetty. Okay, they want to modify all the stalls in a better way, and these stall owners they want their suggestion should be considered by government. Their plan also they want to take it into consideration, and accordingly they should start the work.
18 मीटर जागा सोड म्हणतात ते किती ऍक्च्युअली
That will come to know later on. Whatever proposal they are going to submit to us, whatever intention, government intention to do the work, after they give they'll submit the plan to us. That time will come to know, and accordingly we'll write to the government how to modify, how to go on.
पहिली एक शेड घातिल्ली पळय एक तेंच्यांनी शेड घातली कितीतरी वेगळीच एका हितून 4 जण आता कितीतरी डिफरंट हे तुमच्याकडे डिस्कस बी केले तेंच्यांनी
No, earlier same thing happened earlier that that earlier stall which they constructed, okay, they were done without taking them into consideration, okay, and those stalls were bad and it is not suit for summer climate, so therefore they have to change and remodify these stalls. So this remodification is also bad.
तुम्ही आता सजेशन दितले तुमचे किती कशे आणि किती जाय
No, I have sent a letter. I have sent a letter to the government to take us all into confidence, and accordingly we'll show how to that modification to go on.